Hello students, welcome back to my channel. This is Dipali, and in this video you will learn how to create reports in MS Access. So basically, what are the reports? Reports can give you the ability to present your table in a accessible formats. Fine. So reports and forms are very similar, and both of the data object let you display your tables record in a series of columns or row or in a custom layout you create. But when you create the report, you can also add the header and footers, subtotals and other special things on your reports. But basically, what is the difference in the reports and your form? In the form, you can add the records. As you have seen in the last video, we have entered some record in the form that has already going in our table also. But in the report we cannot make any changes. Fine. In the report we cannot make any additions. Fine. Now I am going to tell you how to create the report using the report wizard. For that, you have to select the table. You just go to create, and from this report section create report wizard, and from here similarly what we have done in the form, we have selected the table. I want for the student table, so from here it is already selected, so I am again selecting this table. All the records I want to include, all the columns I want to include in my report, so all the fields I have shifted to my right hand side because this is the area for your selected fields. Fine. Then you can click on the next button. After clicking on the next button, basically it will ask you, do you want to add any grouping levels? That means you want to group anything. If the similar fields are there like address, city, pin code, then in that case you can group it. So right now I am just moving to the next. Then it is asking, do you want to arrange or sort your records? Sometimes your records are not in the particular order. Right now my records are there in the order, in the ascending order. So if you want, then you can select, otherwise you can leave. I want it in descending order because already it is in ascending order. So I just want to show you how it will show the records in the descending order. So I have selected, I want to show the descending all the records in the descending order with the help of which column? ID column. So first you have to select the ID column, then select on the descending, then click on the next. I want the tabular format, portrait, it is fine for me. You can also go with the columnar layout, and then click on the next. You just want to preview the report. Yes, finish. Just see over here, the report has been come, and see this report. I am just going to zoom it so all of you are able to see the record. Just observe the ID, students. If you can observe the ID over here, that is 54321, that is in the descending order. Fine. So it's clear to all how to show the reports. Fine. How to create the report using the report wizard. In the report you can also take the printout over here. See, print option is available. Then in what manner you want to say take the printout, in the landscape or in the portrait, that you can do, and you can just click on the print if you want to take the printout. Right now I am just closing this print preview, and now where I can see this particular report. Similarly, in the navigation pane you can click on your report. See, students, icon of each and every object is different. Let me zoom and show you. If you are going to just see the icons, the table icon you can see over here. For the table, what it is showing, simply table format. In the form you can see form format. And with the green color what I have selected right now, this is your report icon, this is your form icon, and this is your table icon. Fine. So I am just zooming out right now. So whatever things you are saving, that has been saved in the navigation pane. Fine. So next thing which we are going to see is that how to create the report without using the report wizard. That you have to click on the report simply and you can see the particular report over here, that is the student and the date, time, and all the things you can see over here. Like I want to create the report for the teachers, so I will select the teachers table, I will click on the create button, then I will click on report. So see, it is showing your report with date and time also. Fine. So this is all about your reports, how to create the report in MS Access using the wizard, report wizard, and or how you can create the report simply. Fine. Thanks for watching, students. Keep watching and keep learning.